So before I ever got a motorcycle, I basically thought you buy the motorcycle, you ride it, you enjoy it, you do not deal with any problems, and that's it. But obviously, as you guys have seen, I've had some problems with my bike. You guys have noticed, and your comments suggest otherwise to my initial thoughts about having no problems with a bike. Basically, the problems might be the point. I realized a lot of people, including some of you guys, did not see the bike the same way I initially saw a bike before I ever bought one. At first, when I started riding, I thought reliability is basically everything. Basically, the goal was to eliminate any problem at all, and all you get is just pure riding, and that's it. But it's funny because these comments are basically saying it's the opposite, and I kind of feel the same way. You know, the struggle, the rebuilding, that whole process, that's the enjoyable, rewarding part, or at least it is a part of it. I'm not gonna lie, I've had moments where my bike doesn't work or something goes wrong with it, and I am immediately just annoyed. I'm like, oh my God, why can't this just work? Why can't this just be simple? But then I think about it a little differently, and I remember all these small things I've fixed, and those are significant parts of the bike and my relationship to the bike. It's kind of like, I know this bike works because I'm the one that put the time into it to make sure it does work. And then at that point, it kind of stops being a thing that you're riding and a thing that you've earned the right to ride. I don't know, maybe that's why new motorcyclists don't want to buy new bikes, or maybe they're just expensive. But the perfectness of a new bike, there's nothing for you to attach yourself to. With an old bike, well, with a bike that doesn't work, you are forced to develop a relationship with that bike. You don't just ride it, you deal with it. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I don't know, do you guys enjoy the fixing aspect of motorcycles? I mean, everybody enjoys the riding part, but what about the fixing part? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious. At what point does a bike breaking down stop becoming a problem and start becoming the point?